Let me show you real quick. So the point of this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this motor out and I'm gonna try and cast all the little copper wires that we have from this drill press. So let's start disassembling this thing and see if we can take this motor and get everything exposed so we can prepare for a copper casting. So that's where we're at. Nope. Nope. And nope. Do you ever just grab a handful of wrenches and hope that it's the right one? Yeah, me too. I do that all the time. Knife here. Like that. Don't need that. was so cool. It literally popped right out. Never done that before. Probably not good for the mold, but that was pretty awesome. I'm sure you heard that. All right, so we have this piece here, and it looked like copper when I was, maybe there was a bit of aluminum as well. All the pieces came out really shiny. I have a comparison of something that's all aluminum. You can see the color difference. It's a lot lighter. This one looks like it might be copper and aluminum. It definitely feels heavier, a little bit shiny. Pretty interesting color. So this will be something nice to have for you know, some knife parts. Could probably use a guard out of this, maybe. Remelt it, maybe. Maybe not. Stuff looks really brittle. Well, that was interesting. So this just broke. I saw a little hairline crack and I thought it was just a hair, so I moved it and then I bent it. Crack.
Remelt it, maybe.
So I'm kind of stumped. Again, if you look at the aluminum piece here, this is the aluminum. You can see how these have a slightly different tint to it. So yeah, I thought it was all copper, maybe not. Could be a copper and aluminum mix. But that's the inside there. Anyway, there you have it. There's my casting for the day. Thought I would have some knife parts. Maybe we'll mess around with this. I don't know if it's gonna be the same crumbly texture we'll get with this, but I was hoping to make a cool little pommel for another knife in the future. So anyways, just wanted to share. Thanks for watching. We will see you on another video very soon.